Yeah. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the worst trampolines you want to do. The spring-free trampoline. They're awful. They're just hard to remove, hard to dispose of, but we're gonna do it. All right, we'll charge the same price for this or any other trampoline, so 150 bucks, it's a flat fee. I'm putting my phones up. Just finished the trampoline, loading it to the back of the trailer. Took us about maybe 25 minutes to do it. Actually, it did take a little longer than that, but we're out of here. All right, see you later.